Hello everybody, thank you for watching. Today I have a very special guest with me, Jan, and I invite him because he will tell us a bit more about how to buy a home, because I believe that buying or having your own home is very important for a long-term asset building plan. So myself, I tried to buy a home 1 year ago and I was not aware of many things Jan will tell us today. So hello Jan, thank you for being here.
Thank you for coming and inviting me here in Hamburg. My name is Jan from Meine Finanzierung, and I'm founder and CEO of meinefinanzierung.com. I'm an independent mortgage broker since 2014, and we are working independent with several banks here in Hamburg and Schleswig-Holstein and whole Germany, of course. And we offer our clients the best and cheapest mortgage. So this is our target for our clients.
That sounds fantastic. So Jan, tell us the secret.
The secret, the big secret. Okay.
If we want to buy a home, what do I need? What do we need as client?
Oh, this is easy.
Yeah.
This is really easy. So you just need a good income, a steady income. Yeah, of course. And you should bring also a bit of equity. I think so 10 or 20% of the buying price should be good. We prefer that, but it's also possible without equity.
It's possible without equity.
Yes.
That will be my next question. So it's really possible. I can come to you without equity.
Yes, that's true.
That's cool.
True. You should bring a good income, and also if you have a husband and wife, both of them should be working and have an income. Then it's easier to get it without equity.
That's interesting. Thank you.
Yes.
But I have heard always the more equity I bring, the cheaper my rate.
Yes, that's true. That's true. So if you bring no equity, so the interest rate is higher, but it's possible without equity.
Okay. So for example, I'm your client and I come to the office. How you would start the process to work with me?
Yes, the first of all, we check the financial situation of our clients.
So my financial situation, like my savings.
Your savings, your income, your equity, and also your expenses. So we check if you have still mortgage, for example, for a car.
So a household balance is good. Guys, a household balance and budgeting is important.
Of course, yeah. And then we calculate the maximum amount our clients can get for the property. And if we have a positive result, and this is the benefit here, we can give our clients a financing confirmation. This is a document that we can give the client for the seller or the real estate agent.
That's great. So that means that you can afford the house, but you come also on first line.
That's true, yes. With that document, you're, of course, at the first line. You don't have to... Most of our clients get the property then. That's
cool, because getting a good mortgage is the first, not problem, but the first headache. And then the second is, will I get the house or not? So like that, I can be sure that I'm on the good side with both topics.
That's true, yes.
That's nice. So for me as financial planner and client, how can I prepare myself to come to you or to buy a house? Which insurance do I need? Which savings? How I can be prepared before? How can I prepare my clients before coming to you?
Yes, you need some important insurances, of course. There is, of course, the homeowner insurance, or in Germany it's called Wohngebäudeversicherung, because it's against damages of weather, for example.
Yes.
And also the banks say you have to do this.
You need that.
You need that, of course. And also life insurance, Lebensversicherung.
Yes, if you're the main provider, for example, if the father is paying the biggest amount, and something happens.
If something happens, the insurance pay off the whole loan, the rest of the loan.
Important.
for example, the husband or wife is dying and one income is missing, so the insurance helps you to fit, and the result is that the family don't have to move in another flat or house, or that is more little or cheaper. So you can stay at home and you're safe there.
Yes.
With that insurance.
Very important. So if I have like a private pension as client and some savings and the insurance I need, do I have a better rating at the banks?
Yes, you have, because it can also be used at kind of equity, and the bank says, oh, the client is good, he just has a little backup with money, and it's more easier to give them a good mortgage. Cool. Yeah. Mortgage, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, good. I say wrong words all the time. Thank you, Jan, for being here and taking your time, because especially for our international clients, it's very important to get to know how to buy a home here in Germany. So it's a very important topic, especially now. And I'm very happy that you can help a client also with knowing how much he can afford before buying a home. So very happy to have you.
Thank you, you're welcome.
If you're thinking to buy your own home or you need help with the planning, you can get in touch with me clicking on the link below and book your first one-on-one call, and we can talk about how to plan your new home. Bye bye, Alicia.